Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing more in-depth style build again. I haven't done one in a while. I've done laser engraving, nickel stuff, just random things, but I want to do a build. So what we have here is, this is from Dirty Bird. I bought this, actually my daughter bought it because I got to do some work on her car. A mat to lay down on. You can go see shorts on this stuff. Rear bag, a Men 2 mag, cheap scope level kit, phase 5 weapon systems safety, Warhammer charging handle, gas block, guntec muzzle device. I don't know if that one's a flash hider or not. We have this lightweight charging or PCG MBS gas tube. Oh yeah, the gas block is from MBS also. I have this luth-ar 308 paddle bolt catch, and I don't know if it's going to work on here. I hope it is. Luth-ar chubby grip, Dirty Bird's 2-stage trigger. They said it's just as good as the LaRue and the Guys League, what is it, GS2, we'll see. And then I have my fixed MBA1 luth-ar stock, and right here we have my 24-inch ballistic advantage barrel, and it was bead blasted. I just did not like the look of it, so did some Cerakote. Alright, so I do not like this. I do not like how that looks. We had to do some work on here too. Had to get that knocked down because it would not fit over that. But it looks good now. Let's go Cerakote this barrel. Don't forget the luth-ar parts kit, because I don't think I did that either. Can't forget about my cheap Amazon rifle bag. I'll do a video on that separate. Then here I got my awesome US2A thing. Anyone wants some of these made, I'll put them up on my website, let me know. And by the way, my website is going to be down mid-February because I have not sold enough stuff on that to keep it. If you guys could like, subscribe, share this channel. I was never going to monetize. I tried it just because they didn't make me delete anything. So I was like, all right, we'll keep it or try it out. You can buy the super likes. You can do buy monthly, whatever. I'm thinking about doing a Patreon type thing to where I can physically put these together and you can pay, watch those. I'll do it cheap, like 99 cents or whatever, however that works. I have a Rumble I don't really use. It's kind of a pain. Anyway, I'm going to put this thing together, and I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to fast forward show it because I do not want to get this deleted. One of my other videos on the other channel, the 6.5 Creedmoor build, it was like 3 parts, and it did get deleted. Well, one of them did, and it doesn't make sense. I'm pretty sure I was just showing like this, and it still got deleted. So hopefully this doesn't get deleted. And I didn't have a backup, so now I have part 1 and part 3, no part 2. I do have a CV Life bipod, not here yet. Arc and scope, not here yet, and some rings that are coming. Should be here today. I've been waiting for almost a month for this receiver set, and yeah, a lot of stuff going on. This has been ordering for a month, waiting, super excited about it. So anyway, stay tuned guys for this, because this one is going to be awesome.